What's up, Facebook fam? Alright, so it's Halloween. My Haley coil kit came in. I actually already did 2 coils. You can see there. So drill it out with that guy. Tap it with... Oh, shizzle. He went somewhere. Oh, there he is. Tap it with this guy. And then drive this in with that guy. So... yeah, I'm happy. I'm making some progress. So I gotta get a slide hammer, pop this off, and I gotta get a pilot bushing. I wonder if I can get one at thingy, if not Amazon. But so what's up? It's beautiful. You can see threads again. All right. So you see, there's that little tang that's in there. That slide, goes into it, and I'm like a professional now with 3. But I'm trying to do this shit while you guys see. But you see, it's threading in. And maybe I switch hands, even though, when these outside threads, they lock on to the thing that I just tapped, and then the insides make up the existing threads. So, and then I went and I was like, oh man, how much engagement is there really? And with the flywheel and the bolt sticking through, it's kind of limited. It's kind of scary when you think about it, or like see it. Let me see if I can get this. Sometimes I'm keeping an eye on it, and it's just sometimes this last one don't want to go in, and you can kind of, yeah, it just needs to thread in a little bit more. But yeah, that's fine. And then I was like, man, you know what? If this shit wants to be stupid, like you see how it's, I don't know, whatever. If you wanna be stupid, I will fucking tack the fucking flywheel bolts onto that motor. I don't give a shit. It's a cheap flywheel anyways, a little XCD flywheel. I'll lock them bitches on. I don't give a shit. When I go to thing, I just gotta cut it out. But I think I might do that. I think I might, because look, I mean, I got enough there. I can just, grind and do a tack. But then just look how much engagement there is. It's not too much. You would figure it should go in more. But, that's where we're at. So anyways, long story short, she's done there. Alright, so if this automatic, that's for the flywheel, not flywheel, but flex plate needs to come out of the automatic crank, which is that fat bad boy. I was having an issue because that shit, so I ended up welding the fucking thing to it and putting that D-ring with that around and then popping it out. So now I could do that. I am pretty much good. I just need to put in my pilot bushing for the manual transmission, and then we will be good. A matter of fact. And then also, don't worry about that heat. It didn't heat up the crank. The crank probably gets hotter with oil. To say that, whatever. And look at, I'm over here showing you all this nastiness. But it's funny because I'm like asking for a clutch, fucking A. Pilot bushing. Some people call it, whatever. But anyhow, that's just gotta go in there. Matter of fact, what we'll do before we even put it on, take this guy. I just hit my head on the fucking cherry picker. I had to bring out my welder. I just stick welded it. I wasn't gonna do no tigging. But yeah, so now this pilot bushing will go slide in there. I'll keep the main shaft, from wiggly. So now I just need to kind of get my clutch alignment tool. I'll clean that all out, and then get that one in, and then we'll be good. I remember I took this one out, the automatic one. I took that one out on the other motor, and I think because what happened, it was hitting the clutch disc or whatever. I don't know, some shit. But anyways, whatever. Regardless of what, it's out. This needs to go in, and we'll be good to go. Then I can mate up everything. I don't know, I can see if I can kind of get it centered and then tap it in. But yeah, all right, it's trick-or-treating time now, even though I don't really want to go, but I'm just happy because I was able to get, you know, this. Well, now I can't even tell which holes they were. Well, here goes 1, 2, I guess maybe 3. But I'll clean all that up. But yeah, that's what's up, man. So next time you see her, oh, you see the flywheel on, see the clutch. And oh yeah, and here goes the ACT clutch. You know, that with the center force pressure plate. But alright guys, my friends, late. And then this motherfucker, I got a, what do you call it, top of the fuel tank over there is, I think it's I know because I pressure washed, I had to clear out the vent tube, and when I did that I was getting pressure coming out from up top, and so basically when it rains I get water in my tank. But small shit, different day. All right. Wait for it. Look, 25 miles an hour in the center. Boom.